Hello, welcome to the Happy Little Art Studio. I'm Miss Palmentary, and today I'm going to teach you a little drawing trick that will help improve your drawings. You just need a pencil, an eraser, and a straight edge or ruler. If you don't have a ruler, it's very easy. You get a piece of paper and you fold it up. You can see I even used a takeout menu here. So we're using something called linear perspective. And that, you take the word linear, the base of it is line, the illusion of space. We're gonna make some cubes that actually look like real cubes. First thing we need to do is draw out, take your straight edge, okay, and just very lightly, because you don't wanna mark it up too bad, draw something called the horizon line. You can think of it as where the earth meets the sky. On your horizon line, you're going to have a dot. It's the vanishing point. Now we're going to use something called orthogonal lines, or we're just going to call them guidelines. We're going to connect these squares to this vanishing point. We'll start with the one on the bottom, and we're going to start with orthogonal guidelines. So we're going to line up our vanishing point, because we know we have to eventually get to that. And let's go up here. See, I'm using my straight edge, and I'm just going to draw a line up there. I always say, draw it light until you get it right. And one other thing I always like to do, sound effects. Have you noticed that everything is better with sound effects? I think so. So I'm going to give these orthogonal lines this sound effect. And you got to make it when you draw yours too. Yes, that looks nice and straight. I'm coming down to this third corner down here. I'm going to draw my orthogonal line from the corner to the vanishing point, not forgetting you have to have sound effects. I think that's awesome. I love that sound effect, it's fun. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut it off. Because we don't want our cube to go on and on forever, do we? No, it's got to have definite end to it. So this, you're going to use another math word. Parallel refers to two lines that are running side by side, and there's no curvature in them. They're exactly the same. They will never intersect. If they went on forever, they would never touch. So what we're going to do, because we want to cut it off parallel to our sides, use your straight edge, and this time, instead of a sound effect, I have a rhyme, and there's actually a dance move that goes with it, but I don't have time for dance moves on this video. Put your ruler on the side, and then you slide. Try it with me. Put your ruler on the side, let it slide. So this line is now parallel with that one. When we come to cut off this side here, we are going to do the same thing, but we're not going to do straight across because we're on a different side. We're going to start with this one. Do not forget your rhyme. It's very important. Put the ruler on the side, and then you slide. But Miss P, how far over do I slide? You slide until you get to this point. That's where you're going to cut it off. How did I know how to cut it off on the first one? I just decided. I'm the artist. It's my paper. When you're drawing yours, guess what? You can decide too. That's the cool thing about art. Everybody can do it, and everybody can have it be their own. Okay. Ruler on the side, and then you slide. Boom. All we have left now is a little bit of erasing. You're going to love the sound effect that goes with erasing. We're going to erase all of these orthogonal lines that go beyond our form, our cube here. Okay, are you ready? Are you sure? All right. Erase, 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 erase. So when you erase your orthogonal lines, you have to make that sound. Eraser, erase, 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 erase. Ta-da! Beauty-muss. So we're going to take our corners to the vanishing point using our orthogonal lines, and we're only going to do the two bottom ones. So I'm going to cut off this side. I'm not connecting this or this corner, so I don't have to worry about any other sides. This is only one side. Do you remember the rhyme? How does it go? Oh yeah, you got it. Put your ruler on the side and then you slide. Ruler on the side and then you slide. Awesome. Those extra orthogonal lines are guidelines. We don't need those anymore, so we're going to erase, and to make it even better, we're going to use our sound effects. Erase, 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 erase. Erase, 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 erase. Wow, that's great. I hope you enjoyed your stay at the Happy Little Art Studio.